So the question is this GIVI 5 litre Tanklock bag any good, or are we going to have to get rid of it? Watch the video and find out. This bag is the GIVI ST605 plus a Sport T Tanklocked tank bag, and it's a 5 litre. And it comes with mounting accessories as well, so it comes in a neat little bag. Let's just set that aside because we're not going to need that. There we go. Take a look at that. Let's have a look, see what's inside this bag. Inside we've actually got the tank lock, which is going to click into the underside of the mechanism. Looks like you've got a carry bag handle. There's a small one already fixed to it, so that's like it's going to be some sort of shoulder carry thing. Inside here we have a cover for a mobile phone, so you can, looks like you can put your sat nav or mobile phone inside that sleeve. Somehow we'll work that out in a minute. Now, before we mount it, there's a bracket. Let's have a look. In the box, there's a bracket. What's got to go along with that? Got to undo. We've got to find the right Allen key first. And then we're going to undo these three. They're not particularly tight. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to drop the bolts through and just bounce the other ones around somewhere, and then we're going to get the spacers on there. So let's just pop one in there, one in there, and one in there. You can see that. That's where your spacers have gone. Drop that in there. So I'll just line that up. Just to give you a little shot on the other side there. They've got these rubber bungs which are going to go between the metal and the actual tank, and those three rubber bits are going to obviously fit that adapter plate. So there we go. We need to find the Allen key for this one. Small. So I want to take them in all the way tight until they've all gone in a bit. Okay, that's tight, that is. Now the next thing we need is this thing here. You can see that. We do need 4 bolts though. And obviously that's an Allen key job. So let's just pop those in there. Only short bolts, these ones are a little bit fiddly, and I like to start things off by finger tight really, just in case we get any cross-thread issues, but they're all going in. I think it's that one, but I could be wrong. No, I'm right. That's the first time. Okay, that's that. And now That's it. Just click straight in there. Click straight in there. Push the catch on the side there, and that's removed. Let's go again. Lock. Well, it's engaged. Now you get two keys with this, and therefore you can see this, therefore locking the actual lock. So now that is locked, so you can't get it off without breaking it, and then it's useless. So the only thing you get to do is you can leave it on your bike, or if you've got things inside and you want to leave them, you can put a little one of those digital, one of those combination padlocks on there. So now we've got it. Let's have a look inside. There's a net. You can put whatever you need in there. Comes with a little Velcro tray. It's got quite a soft, matty type finish. Looks quite neat. What else have we got? We've got, if I can find it, because I like to throw things away, we've got this, and we've got this, and we've already said we've got a carry handle. So that goes down, that closes, so you can put your, let's have a look, you can put a mobile phone in the end there, and then just close it up and put this weatherproof cover, sat-nav thingamajig on those clips. And then you've got, when I first saw it I thought it was a shower cap, but no, it's not. It's going to go around that way. It's going to be a rain cover. So even though this is going to be waterproof to a degree, it's not going to stand too many hours out in the rain unless you put this cover on. So look, see how it looks with the cover on. It's not too bad. Let's just take this off and go all the way around. See what it looks like. I think it looks quite smart. So from a rider's perspective, it's not going to interfere with any clocks. Let's just put that sort of, where I'm 5'11", and I'm putting that at eye level looking down, so there's plenty of clearance, and that's down at around about chest level, and obviously you want to look down the road, but it doesn't obscure anything. You feel the material is like a heavy duty rubber gold PVC mix, and this is like a heavy duty reinforced nylon, and all the fixings and finishing are top quality really. Feels really robust. It's got a nice thick hinge on the back there, stitched well, heavy duty netting, and it's padded quite nice quality, and you know it's going to last, which is what we need. Looks really good, better than the old seat thing I used to have on there with about 1,000 bungee ties tying it on there to move my stuff around. This is quite neat. There's a little place there you can poke cables through You can store a power bank inside there, and if you use a GoPro or sat nav, you can run your cables through there and attach to whatever you got on the dash. I do like the amount of space that's got. Okay, I've just got back from the test ride, and I found the handlebars doesn't get obstructed at all. You can see plenty over the top, and you can certainly see your dashboard. The keys isn't a problem to go for, and that just underlines the reasons I went for this really. The way it sits, it's not too close, it's not too far back, it's not too big. It's got everything I need on it, plus the fact that you can actually lock it on the tank and go off, and obviously no one's going to take the bag. If you want to get a combination lock, I mentioned that earlier, you just put a little combination lock in there, just pinch that together. It's not foolproof, obviously someone can get in if they've got a Stanley knife, but it just stops them taking the bag, and they'll have to break something if they're going to do that. Anyway, just to show you where that would sit if you had the other type of tank ring, it's going to go a lot closer, and obviously it works, but it just takes up too much room. I'm hoping to get a sat nav sorted out at some stage, and I want to be able to see that in that arrangement I've got here. Anyway guys, if you like the video, please thumb up and like, please subscribe. If you've got one of these bags, make a comment, or if you've got something else, another alternative, please let us know what you're doing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now.